Hello guys and welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the newest update step by step about how you can create a UK PayPal account in 2023. We will need for that a proxy in case you are not living in the UK and a UK number because as you know, PayPal will ask each time you will log into your account. And for that, I would like to suggest to you RentSMS.online. They have real physical numbers that can be rented. If you want more info about that, you can check my previous video. I will leave the link in the comment section, guys. And they add new service. They are selling 4G mobile data with a very competitive price comparing to other providers. If you want to know more about 4G mobile proxy, just go to the website and click on 4G proxy and you will get more information about that. Let me show you how you can do that. So let's go to RentSMS, RentSMS.online. You can see here they have this new feature or new service, 4G proxy. You just need to click on it, and here you will see all the informations and offers. So they have like United Kingdom, Poland, Austria, Netherlands, Lithuania. They have Latvia, Croatia, and they have a multi-Europe countries 4G proxy package. If you want to know more, just contact them. You know, this 4G proxy works with all of the tools, like for example, AdSpower, Go Login, Multi-Login. You know, you can search and check all the infos here. And if you want to buy from them, you can just click on Buy 4G proxy now. And for the moment, accepting Bitcoin like CryptoWise and Pioneer. We are currently accepting CryptoWise and Pioneer as payment methods, and any other option can be suggested or discussed with our sales agent. Thanks. So just need to click here and they will redirect you to their Telegram account, and there you can ask all your questions and they will take your orders if you want. And now let's go to Google and type PayPal and click here in the first one. And in this video we will try to create a personal account, like business account. There is two types of accounts, PayPal accounts. They have the personal account and the business account. In this video we will create a personal account. You just need to click on Get Started. Here we will need to type our email address, copy paste my email address, and now we need a number, UK number. Let me copy my UK number and let's go and get. So this is the website RentSMS, right? So when you create an account, you can from the website you can buy UK number and use it. You can see here we got our SMS code verification. Right now we need to copy this one and go back to the website, just paste. And now we need to choose our password. And click on Next. And now you need to type your first name, the last name, and date of birth. And click on Next. You need to put the postcode of your address. Yeah, and here you need to type your address line, the city, and the country, or the country, yeah. The county, sorry, like which city, and click here, you agree, and click again here on agree and create an account. And now let's go and click on not now, we'll just do it later. And again, we need to click on not now, but in case you want to add your credit card information, you can type your card number expire date, security, and from here you need to choose which one, like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, whatever you have, and then click on link card. But for the moment, you just need to click on not now and go back. Go. So guys, this is our UK personal PayPal account we have created using Red SMS number and mobile data